Hi, I'm Peter and I'm a product manager here at Intercom. And today I'm going to give you an early look at FinVoice, our new AI agent for the phone channel. Even with all the progress in chat, phone support remains essential. If there's something sensitive or urgent, people don't want to type, they want to talk. But phone support is also hard. It's expensive, difficult to scale, and often frustrating for customers when the wait times get longer. This is what we want to change with FinVoice. We're bringing the intelligence of Fin to the phone so businesses can offer instant 24/7 support. Okay, so let me show you FinVoice in action. Here's our testing experience. This is where you can try out different queries and hear how Fin responds. I'll ask a common support question and you'll see how Fin replies, just like it would on a real phone call. And in this example, I'm using Intercom's knowledge base. So the question is going to be about Intercom.
Hi, I'm Finn. You're through to Intercom customer support. How can I help?
Hey Finn, how's your day going?
Thank you for asking. I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
Cool. Could you tell me about the Fin guidance feature?
The Fin guidance feature allows you to train Fin to support your customers in your brand's voice and follow your policies using natural language instructions. It helps ensure faster resolution times and consistent support quality. Would you like to hear more information about it?
It sounds amazing. How can I configure it on my account?
To configure Fin guidance on your Intercom account, you can go to the Fin AI agent settings, and under the Train section, select Guidance to create specific rules and instructions for Fin to follow. Would you like to hear more information about this process?
Actually, do you mind if we switch to German now?
Natürlich, wir können gerne auf Deutsch wechseln. Wie kann ich Ihnen weiterhelfen?
Never mind, English is fine. Could you also tell me how I can configure the handover option as part of guidance?
To configure the handover option in Fin Guidance, you need to go to the Fin AI agent settings. Then under Chat Settings or Workflows, you can set up the handover process for when Fin can't answer or needs to escalate to a human agent. Would you like to hear more information about this?
That's all, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's all, cheers.
Cool. So as you just heard, FinVoice is designed to be conversational. It really encourages back and forth with the customer to make sure it gets to the right answer. We're also working on problems like latency, answer quality, answer structures, and voice quality. FinVoice is currently in early access with a small group of customers. But overall, we're super excited about this product and we can't wait to bring it to more support teams soon. Stay tuned for more updates.